Thank you for getting started. Let's start with, do you need help stopping a foreclosure auction? If so, reach out to me immediately if it's just a few days away. I'll do my best, I promise. We know you've been bombarded with calls and maybe even had unexpected visitors at your door. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Trust me, I was here back in 2008 with countrywide and subprime mortgages. I want you to know that even though this is my business and I need to make a living, you're my priority. First, we need to figure out exactly what's going on so we can see what needs to be done and find the best solution for you. Rest assured, we won't push loan modifications or bankruptcies. That does not benefit you. They ask for money, and if you're aware, they do not stop the auction date. Side note, if you're in a loan modification or dealing with a lawyer and a bankruptcy, please have them prove that the auction date has been stopped. Let's continue. We'll present alternative avenues you may not have considered, potentially allowing you to stay in your home. This is a challenge, but it's possible if everything lines up. Let's start with your options like short pay, seller financing, and wraparound mortgages that could pave the way for a positive outcome. By the way, have you already started with the state-funded California Relief Program yet? It's grant-funded, and you don't need to pay it back. As I mentioned, you're my priority. So, depending on your situation, there's a chance you could walk away with funds in hand, ready to start in a new place elsewhere. I genuinely care about your well-being and aim to alleviate the burden you're carrying. Remember, you're not alone. We're here to navigate this journey with you, offering empathy and support every step of the way. Thank you for your attention. Take your time processing this information, and when you're ready, feel free to reach out to me, Freddie Avila. House Debt Relief Northridge, CA3 109408886.